Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to fix Bluetooth not connecting on your Mac, step by step. Let's get started. First, make sure Bluetooth is actually turned on. Click on the Apple logo in the top left corner, go to System Settings, then click on Bluetooth. If it's off, turn it on. Next, check if your device is in pairing mode. For example, if you're connecting AirPods, headphones, or a keyboard, make sure it's discoverable. Now, if your device still isn't connecting, try turning Bluetooth off and back on again. This can quickly fix small connection issues. Another simple fix is to restart your Mac. Click on the Apple logo and select Restart. This refreshes your system and often resolves Bluetooth problems. If the issue continues, go back to Bluetooth settings, find your device in the list, click the eye icon and choose Forget this device. Then reconnect it again from scratch. You can also try removing all USB devices connected to your Mac, as they can sometimes interfere with Bluetooth connections. If nothing works, reset Bluetooth by turning it off, restarting your Mac, and then turning it back on once your Mac boots up. And finally, make sure your macOS is up to date, because updates often fix bugs related to connectivity. And that's it. One of these methods should get your Bluetooth working again. If this video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and simple tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.